Hi, my name is Jay Danberg with MarineMax Panama City Beach, and I am on board a 2019 Grady-White 216 Fisherman. This is a new model from Grady-White, replacing an old 20-footer. Really big boat for its class. It's got an 8.6 foot beam. It's got an 80-gallon fuel tank. Will seat 8 adults comfortably. We've got the max horsepower with Yamaha 250 4-stroke. Let's do a quick little walkthrough. So you've got a really nice 25-gallon live well right here at the leaning post. 2 nice jump seats in the rear. Rod holders both off of the hard top and the leaning post. Nice bathroom with porta potty inside the head. Pop-up cleats, bow rail recessed all the way around. Really big fish boxes that are insulated up front with backrest up front. Come check this out. This is in the Panama City Beach. This is the Grady-White 216 Fisherman. Thank you.